here that as we look at these factors, they're all kind of overlap. So I'm going to make a little chart. So first of all, I'm kind of giving away what are the factors. So the factors are the fact that there's one time, how many times did I say? 1, 3, and 5?
Yeah,
What
and
did I
then
say?
30 second or 90 second.
1, 3, and 5. So 1, 3, and 5 times. These are the repeats. And then on this side, there was 30 seconds and 90 seconds. So you could possibly be in a group that saw it once for 30 seconds, and you could be in one that saw it 5 times for 90 seconds each. So there's all
I feel like
those
they
groups.
would have a worse attitude about the product.
Right. I agree. I think it can work against you. I know I get that way. It's like, let's see that commercial one more time.
Unless it's a Sonic commercial.
Or like a
All
funny
right.
commercial.
So, what is the treatment, Caleb, in this commercial, in this experiment?
Make them watch television.
Pardon?
Make them watch the thing.
The treatment is what you're going to change. So, what thing are you going to change for each person?
Oh, about
The treatment.
how much commercial they have to watch?
What?
I thought that was the factors.
No. Factors are going to be part of that. So the treatment is what are you going to change from person to person?
Is how much commercial they watch.
Right. Exactly. So that's the new condition applied. So, and number 2, who are the experimental units, Sally?
They are people,
Who are?
subjects.
Yeah, what are they doing?
They are watching.
Right. They're watching TV.
Commercial.
Right. Well, they're actually watching a 40-minute show. And within it, we are sticking the treatment. And the factors, I've already showed you the factors, explanatory variables. And do these factors have different levels? This is why I picked this one. You see, this is one level of a factor, it's only 30 seconds, and this is another level, it's 90 seconds. These factors, do they have levels? Because this commercial came on once, this one 3 times, and this one 5 times. I'd like to know the results of some of these experiments, because I was wondering if maybe just watching it 3 short times would give me a better attitude than 5 long or whatever. No results are given, but I
think
was
it's 5
wondering what they
I think
were.
one long probably the best.
All right.
So
In the end, we're going to ask all these people
remember
the
the
different
attitude.
questions and compare their results. So this is a very
You
good
remember attention.
experiment.
I think if you say it 3 times
Alright.
for 30 seconds.
Let's go ahead
If you
and
remember it without trying
on
to,
the
then you
back,
just have to
is it on the back
annoyed.
of your day
Or
of
if you see
work?
something and you like,
I believe it is.
I think I'd rather.
We're going to
do the
read
30
through this,
seconds.
check your understanding. So can you show it to Elena? All right. We're going to read through it and write out the answers. So, Julia, while he's doing that,
Also,
I'll give
give him
him
a
the
show.
next line.
That's
Would you
true.
read number 1?
sure
I'll
that you
check
read
your
it.
understanding, please. Thank you.
Does reducing screen brightness increase battery life in laptop computers? To find out, researchers obtained 30 new laptops of the same brand. They chose 15 of the computers at random and adjusted their screens to the brightest setting. The other 15 laptop screens were left at the default setting, moderate brightness. Researchers then measured how long each machine's battery lasted. Was this an observational study or an experiment? Justify your answer.
All right, thanks for reading it. Does this seem to be an experiment, or an observation? Bailey?
Experiment.
Why? You're right. Why?
They did influence the results by
Right. They changed something. And what was it that they changed?
the screen brightness.
Right, right.
Let's
If they
check the
just went
flux.
in and observed a bunch of computers and observed the brightness of each and observed the batteries, that would be an observation. But they went in and imposed a treatment. So, who were the subjects? Julia, who were the subjects? Yeah. So these I
They were
shouldn't
the
call
experimental
I shouldn't
units.
call them subjects. I should call them experimental units. Okay. All right. Brandon, would you read where it says the following setting? Does eating dinner. I guess that's what the picture's supposed to be, but I can't tell. Can you?
Does eating, I think so. Does eating dinner with their families improve students' academic performance? According to an ABC News article, teenagers who eat with their families at least 5 times a week are more likely to get better grades in school. This finding was based on a sample survey conducted by the researchers at Columbia University.
Alright, so Brandon, do you think that was an observational study or an experiment?
Experiment.
No, it's not. Because how can we make it into an experiment? Can someone redefine what that said, Ellie?
You'd have to say they made everyone eat with their family
It's
5
for,
times
like,
a week.
Yeah, for 5 years.
Yeah.
Or for a
Or
number
like
of
a year
months
or
and see
something.
what happens, right? So Brandon, they kind of gave it away there where it says they based their findings on a sample survey. You see that you
Yes.
read? So it is an observational.
Okay.
They didn't go in and change anything. They just observed what was already happening.
Gotcha.
All right. So Brandon, would you read number 2? 3.
No, I thought you colored it.
3.
What are the explanatory and response variables?
All right, Caleb, take a go at that one.
Explanatory would be how many times they eat dinner with their families, and response would be grades.
Grades, right. So we probably have to assign it a number grade, like a GPA. And we would look at number of times, I guess, per week or something that they ate together. They say they had at least 5, does I remember that? Yeah, at least 5. Okay. Explain clearly. All right, Brandon, read the last one, number 4.
Explain clearly why such a study cannot establish a cause and effect relationship. Suggest a lacking variable that may be confounded with whether families eat dinner together.
All right, there's that word confounded, where we have more variables than we want. If this was the only thing affecting them at this period of their life, was eating with their family, we can make a cause and effect statement. Julia, can you think of some other things that might be going on with these people that cause their grade points to change?
For the people who are more successful with the eating with their family? Or is
Yeah.
it the people- Okay, well,
What else could be going on behind the scenes that would affect their grades?
there could be a lot of different things.
I
They
know,
Just
there-
have more time.
Yeah,
Not be doing different clubs or not have very many friends, so they don't really leave the
because
house.
they're eating with their family,
just
that's
doing
good. I hadn't thought of that
their own
one.
thing.
Yes, Bailey?
Maybe the people that eat with their families were raised to like budget their time and have like a specific
Yeah,
schedule.
that's cool,
So
definitely. That would be
their
part of
family,
it.
that's just how their family is.
Yeah,
Might be also like how involved their parents are,
Yeah.
as far as like if some parents are like more involved in the kids, asking them how they're doing at school and stuff, and like
Right.
checking on their grades, whereas some parents
Exactly.
might just completely leave them alone and they might get worse grades.
exactly. I agree. And like, what if the people who eat with their family, maybe they're more likely to read to them or to
But you
call
don't-
out their spelling
But,
words.
yeah, just to like check up on them and stuff.
Right.
What do you learn in school today, kids?
Right.
Every
So-
day.
I don't remember the last time my parents would ask me that.
Neither
Every
do
day, my
I.
mom asked me what I learned.
I remember the last time Mom actually
Yeah.
knew what I was doing in school.
All right.
Every single day.
It is time for you to start your assignment.
Yay!
All right. So we are on 4.1.
It's something
What
hard for
grade?
people cheering.
4.2. And it's number 37 to 42. That looks like it's multi-choice when they do that.
Page?
All right. It's section 4.2. I'm looking.
Oh,
Looks like-
4.2.
Oh, wait a minute.
No, it's not 4.2.
It says 4.2
It's page
on the
230.
chart. Yeah, it looks like it starts on 230. It looks
Yeah.
like there's some leftovers from 4.1, but then it'll jump into 4.2, which is on page 253. All right, Elena, we are going to start our homework in class, and you saw what the homework was. It was on the chart that was just shown to you. So we really hope that you're getting better by now, and we hope to see you soon. So get well.
Watch Sherlock.
Love you.
Does she
See you later,
like
bye.
Sherlock?